How to use Clearfin app properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Most people think using Clearfin is straightforward, but the surprising truth is that beginners often make mistakes that can cost them money and slow down financial progress. Here's how to use Clearfin properly. Clearfin is designed to help users track spending, compare financial products, and optimize personal finances. The first mistake beginners make is not connecting all their accounts. Without a full picture of your income, debts, and expenses, the app's recommendations may be incomplete or inaccurate. Link every relevant bank account and credit card to get the most precise insights. The second mistake is ignoring the app's analytics tools. Clearfin provides spending trends, debt repayment timelines, and product comparisons. Skipping these features means missing opportunities to reduce interest, optimize savings, and make smarter financial decisions. Another common error is failing to set goals. Clearfin can help you plan for debt payoff, savings targets, or investment strategies, but you must define your objectives first. Without clear goals, the app cannot tailor actionable advice. Beginners also underestimate the importance of alerts. Clearfin can notify you about high spending, upcoming bills, or better financial product options. Ignoring notifications can lead to unnecessary fees or missed opportunities. Finally, some users avoid reviewing suggested financial products. Clearfin compares loans, credit cards, and savings accounts based on your profile. Take time to evaluate these recommendations. Skipping them may leave you with suboptimal rates. Used correctly, Clearfin is more than a tracking app, it's a personal finance optimizer. Connect all accounts, use analytics, set clear goals, enable alerts, and review recommendations. Avoiding these beginner mistakes ensures smarter, faster progress toward financial stability and growth.